y'all, this next day or a couple days later, I got this really big SHEIN box. And we're going to unbox it real quick before I get ready for my brunch. So, let's do it real fast. Really fast because I need to get ready. Show y'all what's all in here. I think this is the Mother's Day stuff that I ordered. I'm going to be doing some Mother's Day baskets, so pretty sure that's what that is. So I've got some strawberry items for birthday party I'm planning. I'm so excited for this. Look at all the things I ordered. The earrings, these are all going in my baskets. How cute. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so, look at that. Y'all, this is from SHEIN. Period SHEIN. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, my gifts are gonna be so beautiful and I can't wait to do this. I ordered a whole bunch of accessories. Those are gonna be a part of the gifts as well. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so hyped. I'm not gonna open everything, obviously, because a lot of these are gifts, but I got a whole bunch of mom keychains, some jewelry. This is actually mine. Ooh, that is cute. This is mine. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit later. Just bear with me. I just really wanted to open a little bit of it so that I can see what I'm working with. But the boxes are so cute. Little party things. I ordered so many boxes. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I ordered 9 of these boxes. I have pink, black, red, and white, and they're all Mother's Day boxes, y'all. It's gonna be lit. Look at these cute earrings. These little Van Cleef's dupes. I don't care how many people try to sue SHEIN. I love me some SHEIN because how cute is this Mother's Day box? This is so fire. I love it.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't knock on easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with some action. We could find a place for your passion. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, 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 cool down,
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving lately got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing with. Man, I feel like when I'm at work non-stop. You know good more than I when I come back. Sometimes good yeah come out from that. If me walk and leave yeah, me not come back.
You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall hard. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, 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 cool down.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
surprise you.